The northern cardinal, known colloquially as the common cardinal, red cardinal, or just cardinal, is a bird in the genus Cardinalis. This is northern cardinal. It can be found in southeastern Canada, through the eastern United States from Maine to Minnesota to Texas, New Mexico, southern Arizona, southern California, and south through Mexico, Belize, and Guatemala. It is also an introduced species in a few locations, such as Bermuda and Hawaii. Its habitat includes woodlands, gardens, shrublands, and wetlands. It is the state bird of Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, North Carolina, Ohio, Virginia, and West Virginia. The northern cardinal is a mid-size perching songbird with a body length of 21-23 cm and a crest on the top of the head. The species expresses sexual dimorphism. Females are a reddish olive color and have a gray mask around the beak, while males are a vibrant red color and have a black mask on the face, as well as a larger crest. Juvenile cardinals do not have the distinctive red-orange beak seen in adult birds until they are almost fully mature. On hatching, their beaks are grayish-black, and they do not become the trademark orange-red color until they acquire their final adult plumage in the fall. The northern cardinal is mainly granivorous, but also feeds on insects and fruit. The male behaves territorially, marking out his territory with song. During courtship, the male feeds seed to the female beak to beak. The northern cardinal's clutch typically contains 3 to 4 eggs, with 2 to 4 clutches produced each year. It was once prized as a pet, but its sale was banned in the United States by the Migratory Bird Treaty Act of 1918. There are usually 3 or 4 eggs per nest, though there are sometimes as few as 1 or as many as 5. The eggs are white, with a tint of green, blue, or brown, and are marked with lavender, gray, or brown blotches, which are thicker around the larger end. The shell is smooth and slightly glossy. Eggs measure approximately 26 mm 19 in size. Eggs are laid 1 to 6 days following the completion of the nest. 3 or 4 eggs are laid in each clutch. The female generally incubates the eggs. The male may incubate for brief periods of time, though this is rare. Incubation takes 12 or 13 days. Young fledge 10 or 11 days after hatching. Two or 3, and even 4, broods are raised each year. The male cares for and feeds each brood as the female incubates the next clutch of eggs. Nest with 3 eggs in Durham, North Carolina. Cardinals in Massachusetts have been observed to nest in thick and dense shrubs, trees, and vine tangles, making nests out of twigs, grass, and plant fibers. The eggs are usually incubated by female cardinals, who have brood patches, while the male cardinal forages for food.